Have you ever wondered if it's actually possible to make money online even when nobody knows who you are? Like, no followers, no audience, no fancy setup, nothing. Because everywhere you look online, it feels like the people making money already have something you don't. A big account, a large platform, thousands of followers, a community cheering for them. But what if I told you that's not the full story? And what if I showed you how people, normal people, are making money online with 0 followers? Today, I'm testing this myself. No followers, no audience, no reputation, no posting on my personal social media. Nothing. Just me, a laptop, and a challenge. Can you make real money online with absolutely no following? Let's find out. Before I show you exactly what I did and how much I made, I want you to pay attention to one thing I learned really fast. People think no followers means no chance. But that's not true at all. The internet is full of platforms where your follower count doesn't matter. What matters is the value you give. And trust me, once you understand how to show value, everything changes. Dice intro. When I first tried to make money online, I felt like I was invisible. I had no audience. No one was watching me. No one knew who I was. But I kept seeing people saying things like, you can start with nothing. You don't need followers. You can make money online, even if you're nobody. And honestly, I didn't believe it. Until I tried it myself. So right now, I'm going to break down the exact steps I took to prove whether or not it's possible to earn money online with no followers. I'm going to show you where I went, what I used, the tasks I did, how long everything took, and even what I messed up along the way. If you've been thinking you need followers to start, this video might change your mind forever. Value section. Problem. Exploration. Solution. Problem. Let's be real. Most people don't start because they think, I don't have followers. I don't have a name. Who's going to listen to me? And this is exactly why 90% of people never try. The truth is, having followers is helpful, but it's not required. You only need followers if your business depends on attention. But a lot of online money-making methods don't depend on attention at all. They depend on skills, tools, and platforms that already have people looking for help. And that's what I wanted to test. Exploration. I tried multiple methods, but the 3 that worked the best for someone with 0 followers were: 1. Freelancing with beginner-friendly services. You might think freelancing is hard because you need some big skill, but I discovered something different. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, Freelancer, already have millions of buyers looking for help, and there are hundreds of simple services you can offer with no following, including writing simple descriptions, making basic logos, creating social media posts, proofreading, turning text into scripts, removing backgrounds from images, creating Canva designs, basic editing, and even offering AI services like ChatGPT rewriting text. When I posted my first gig, I thought no one would notice me, but platforms don't care about your followers, because you don't need any. Buyers come to the platform shows your services. Your follower count means nothing. My first client came after 3 days. After that, orders became more consistent. 2. Using no follower required. Selling platforms. These platforms don't need an audience because they already have the audience. Examples: Etsy, digital products; Gumroad, Payhip, Redbubble, Teespring, Amazon KDP. I tested digital products on Etsy using Canva. I made simple templates, planners, checklists, journals. It took me less than an hour to create one. Did I make sales instantly? No, but after a few days, I had my first sale, and that sale came from someone across the world. Someone I didn't know, someone who didn't know me, and someone who didn't care if I had followers. All they cared about was whether the product solved their problem. 3. Microtask platforms. If you want money fast without followers and without skills, this is the easiest option. Platforms like Clickworker, Remote Tasks, Rapid Workers, Pico Workers, Amazon Mechanical Turk, User Testing, where you test websites, Swagbucks, Simple Tasks. These platforms pay small amounts, but they're instant. You don't need experience, you don't need followers, you just need time. So what did I do? To test everything properly, I did 3 things. 1. I created services on Fiverr offering simple things like rewriting descriptions using AI. 2. I created a digital product on Etsy using Canva, just a simple productivity planner. 3. I used Clickworker and user testing for quick tasks to see how fast I could earn without an audience. The results surprised me. The results. Here's the part you've been waiting for. From Fiverr, I earned money after just a few days. The first order was small, but it proved that buyers don't care about your follower count. From Etsy, I made sales even though nobody knew me. Etsy's search engine doesn't care who you are, it cares about keywords and product quality. From microtasks, I earned small amounts quickly, not life-changing money, but money that shows you can start immediately. So, can you make money with no followers? Yes. But here's the truth, you can earn money without followers, but you need to choose the right methods. Solution. If I could start again from 0 followers, here's exactly what I would do. Pick one easy service to offer, like rewriting text, making Canva designs, or editing. Create gigs on Fiverr and Upwork with simple descriptions. Make at least one digital product, like a planner or checklist. Upload it on Etsy or PayHip, and let the platform bring the customers. Use microtask sites for quick earnings while waiting for real jobs or sales. Stay consistent for 30 days without giving up. And trust me, if you do this seriously for 1 month, you will make money, followers or not. Because platforms don't pay you for having followers. They pay you for solving problems. And anyone can solve a problem online. Yes, even you.